Hello, Tyler McCully, wide world of trains. I'm in Callao, Missouri right now. See what it is. BNSF Alright! Man, check it out. There was a BNSF coal train. We're pulling 155 cars. There were 2 locomotives plus 2 in the back equals. It makes 4 locomotives. Can you believe that? Symbol that train was BNS Coal Train SD70 Ace and Mac. That train originates south at the Thomas Hill Power Plant. At Tommy Hill at the Injury Center at Thomas Hill. Heads north, going to turn west at Heritage Street, Heritage Gravel Road on the switch truck. Heading west, the Tormy saw me here, honked at me. Heading west on its way to stop at Kansas City for lunch, and on its way west to North Gillette, Wyoming. Happened on... Heard a horn. I bet I heard a horn coming from Fireworks Gravel Road on this Thursday, August 11, 2022 by Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains on YouTube. So I only heard a Fireworks Gravel Road honk 4 times. It honked more. There was a deer out of the way. Alright, here's the next video. Have a good time.